Ice fishing at its best here. Fishing with the walls again. Trying to catch a big jumbo perch. Got one over there, not very big, but must have lost my fucking minnow maybe. Oh, here we go, getting a bite. Maybe not. Thought I was. Doesn't look like it. There we go, there's a bite. Fuck, I missed him again. Well, that's what I thought, but that's what I think, but there we go. I called the camera, Billy. I got a big one. Hurry up. Come on. Videoing. Yeah.
It's a monster.
Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, I snagged him in the fucking jaw. There you go, boys and girls. Look at the size of that motherfucker.
Shit, he threw him back in. That one.
I think I do have fishing today.
You do, so yeah.
What a fucking joke. There's Hewitt, my new fishing buddy. Hasn't caught hardly fuck all today. Going fishing with the walls again, fucking catching all the fish. Hey, boys! Ah! What the fuck is it? I think it is too, because I bet you he's moving in here. Oh, motherfucker! I seen him.
It was big.
About your drag out, yeah.
That was big.
How do you feel about after that? There's Bomber. He just lost the Derby winner. They just walked 3 miles to catch a fish to come back, throw their line in, and have a big fucker on. Anyway, there's Hewitt. That's about all he's done today. Drink beer. Oh no, he's got one perch. Couple perch there.
That's gonna make a good fry, boys.
Here's Trevalier. He thought me having music on was retarded, but how's the fishing today, Steve?
Slow and slow.
Oh, there's some other people out here too. Can't tell you where we are. We don't like putting that in our videos, so